This conference will now be recorded.
Good morning.
Right. So today we'll discuss about filter commands. WC, pipe, more, less, tail, head. These are comes under filter commands. Now WC. What WC stands? Word count. WC stands word count. What is the syntax for WC? WC options, file name. WC options and file name. What are the options? Options are -L, list number of lines, -W, list number of words, -C, list number of characters. These are the options. For example, if run the command WC file name. For example, the file name is /etc/passwd. /etc/passwd is the system file. Passwd system file under etc directory. What the default output? Number of lines, number of words, number of characters. First column, number of lines. Second column, number of words. Third column, number of characters. Suppose you want only lines. WC-L file name. It shows only lines. You want only words. WC-W file name. To see only words. You want only characters. WC-C file name. To see only characters. So this is about WC command. Now see the practical. WC file name. Number of words, number of lines, number of words, number of characters. You can create your own file, cat greater than some file name file1 or va file name file1. Create your own file. Control D for save WC file name file1. 4 lines, 27 words, 158 characters. But you want only lines, WC-L file name. To see only lines. Only words, WC-W file name. Only words. Only characters, -C. Next, pipe. To concatenate two or more commands. Concatenation nothing but combine. We can combine two or more commands. Example, cat slash etc slash password pipe wc pipe wc. How many commands we are concatenating here? How many commands we are concatenating?
Two.
Two commands. One is cat, the other one is wc. What this command does, it executes the first command, cat slash etc slash password. What this command does, it will show the data in the password file. That output it will send to the wc command. The output of the first command is input to the second command. The output of the first command is input to the second command. What second command does, it is going to filter it. How many words, how many lines, how many words, how many characters. You see, cat slash it is slash password. You know what this command does? This output using pipe wc. The output of the first command is input to the second command. What the second command does, it is going to filter it, how many lines, how many words, how many characters. Like this, we can concatenate any number of commands. The first command output is second command input. The second command output is third command input. The third command output is fourth command input. What is the final result? Last command. The result always the last command. This is about WC. You want to see only lines? -L. Only words? -W. Only characters? -C. This is about pipe. Next grep. To search the pattern or string or word in the file. Yesterday, I copied this file from /etc directory. To open the file /opt/password. In this file, there's a word called wisdom. There's a word called wisdom. I want to see only those lines, in this file where wisdom is matching, pattern matching, string matching. List only those lines where the word wisdom is matching. Grep wisdom /opt/password. Wherever there is a word wisdom, it is going to show those lines the word wisdom is matching. That is about grep command. pattern matching, string matching, word matching. Or another example, grep root slash etc slash password. Password the system file by default. We want to find out the root user from this file, username root from this file, grep root slash etc slash password. You can see wherever the word root, we can see those lines. This is called pattern matching, string matching. grep is very important for Linux administrators. Going forward, Linux administration part, in every topic, we are going to discuss about this grep command. So, example, grep username root or grep word and file name. Which word you want to search, type that word and the file name. So, grep root file name slash etc slash rwd. Let us say, for example, in this file, there is a word wisdom uppercase. Wisdom uppercase. Grep wisdom file name slash etc slash password. Sorry, slash opt slash password. There's a word wisdom with uppercase, but not showing the uppercase, only lowercase. Because we discussed earlier, Unix or Linux is case sensitive. It's a case sensitive. But you want to see the line with uppercase, word with uppercase, is the wisdom uppercase. But sometimes we don't know that word is upper or lowercase. You want to see both at a time. Then use the grep command, grep -i. What is -i stands? Ignore the case sensitive. We can see both upper and lowercase. Ignore the case sensitive. You want to search more than one word, grep root -e root -e sandwich slash etc slash passwd. Wherever the word matching, one is root, the other one is sandwich. It will show those lines where the root and sandwich are matching. So you can search more than one word from the file by using -e option. Word 1, first word, another -e, word 2 from the file. So grep is very, very important in the real time. Whatever commands we'll discuss in the Unix basic commands, all these commands will be repeated again in the Linux admin. All these commands we are going to use Linux admin. Next, more command. cat/opt/password. For example, if the file has more than one page, there are more than one page, let us say 5 pages. There are 5 pages in the file. If you run the command, it is going to show the first page, middle page, last page. What is the output of this command? First page, middle page, or last page?
Last page.
Last page. Scroll all the pages. Scroll all the pages. It shows only last page. But I want to see this file line by line. Then more file name. More file name to see the file line by line. Press enter. Press enter line by line. You want to come out from here. Q for quit. Press Q. Q for quit. More, more or less. Both are same. To see the file line by line. How to use this command? More file name or less file name. Next tail. To
So what is
see
the difference between more and less? Because both are saying line by
both
line.
both are same. Less file name. opt/password. Press enter. Just press enter. It shows line by line. Anyone you can use. Tail. To see the last 10 lines. The default output is to see the last 10 lines. Example, tail, file name is /etc/passwd. Tail, file name /opt/r/etc/passwd. This is called last 10 lines. The default output is always last 10 lines. You want last 15 lines, -15 file name. To see the last 15 lines, -15 file name. Last 20 lines, -20 file name. But default output is last 10 lines. Suppose you want to see the last 2 lines, -2. To see last 2 lines. Tail always last. Tail -15 file name. To see the last 15 lines. Last 2 lines, -2. Last 1 line, -1. Tail always last. Now come to head. To see the top 10 lines. Example, head file name /etc / password. Default output is top 10 lines. Default output is top 10 lines. You want top 20 lines, head -20 file name to see the top 20 lines. Top 2 lines, head -2 file name. Head always top, tail always last. If you run the command -20 file name, it is going to show the top 20 lines. But what the guarantee that showing top 20 lines? I have to count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have to count it. Instead of that, pipe wc -n. What is the output? Last 20 lines. So we can concatenate any commands. Now can anyone tell the output of this command? Cat /opt/password pipe grep word wisdom pipe wc -l. What is the output of this command?
So it will say the how many wisdoms are there in that file, that line number. It shows the
No.
total line number which contains the keyword called wisdom.
How many lines are there? How many lines the wisdom word is there? In how many lines wisdom word is there from this file? The first command output is second command input. Second command output is third command input. Total 4 lines are there. Like that, we can use the concatenation for any number of commands. Head -20 file name to see the top 20 lines. This is about filter commands. So take the snap. Tomorrow is the last class for basic commands.
Sir, there is no difference between less and more. Both are same.
Both are same. Okay, we'll continue tomorrow.
Next,
Tomorrow is the last class for basics.
so after that you will start the admin command.
Administration part.
Okay.
Okay, guys. See you tomorrow, same time.